In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit business card template in Canva 2025, step by step. Let's jump right in. Open your web browser and head to canva.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so your work saves automatically. On the Canva homepage, use the search bar at the top and type business cards. From the results page, make sure you're viewing templates so you see ready-made designs you can customize quickly. Scroll through the options and look for a style that matches your brand or the look you're going for. A helpful tip: pick a template without the little crown icon so you know it's free to use. When you find one you like, click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now you can start editing. Click on the name text and type in your own, then update your position or job title so it reflects your role. You can replace the placeholder logo too. Open the Uploads panel on the left, click Upload Files and select your logo from your computer. A high-resolution PNG with a transparent background works best. Once it finishes uploading, drag the logo onto the existing one to replace it, then resize and position it until it looks balanced. Next, change the company or business name and update the contact details. Replace any placeholder email, phone number, location, and website with your own information. Keep it clean and concise. Too much text can make a small card feel crowded. If the template includes icons, make sure each line of text aligns neatly with its icon for a polished look. Don't forget the back of the card if the template has multiple pages. Click the second page, update the logo again if needed, and adjust the business name or tagline there as well. To change the background color, click on the card's background, open the color picker, and choose a color that fits your branding. Aim for strong contrast between the background and text to keep everything readable. You can also change the font style. Select any text, open the font menu, and browse for a typeface that matches your brand's personality. Stick to one or two fonts to maintain consistency, and adjust size, weight, and spacing so key details stand out. Before wrapping up, zoom in to check alignment, spacing, and spelling. Make sure important text isn't too close to the edges so it prints cleanly. And that's it. Your business card template is customized and ready to go.